We're at GoToMath.com. Did you catch all that? It was like take 5 on this problem. Had one issue after the next. 4-2. This is going to be the last time I work this problem. There it is. Okay. We got the chicken farmer. I don't know where he's from, but there's a chicken farmer somewhere. Is constructing 2 adjacent rectangular pins. Find the dimensions of the pins to minimize the amount of fencing needed. If the total area is, whoa, square feet. Sorry, I know most of the world uses metric, and I try to throw metric in on this deal. Um, anyway, we got, so we're setting this up. We got our primary and our secondary equation. So let's write this down. Would you please write it down? Okay, we got P is equal to 3W plus 2L, and WL, that's our area, 1144. Okay, I got it. Did you get it? Alright, if you didn't get it, okay. Like I said, this is like take 4 of this problem. Where are we at? Minimizing. So I've already written some stuff out here, looks like. The perimeter is equal to 3W plus 2L. Okay, we got that. And then the area, WL, is equal to 1144. Now, this is what we got going on. Here's the pin. Nice rectangular pin. We've got this side's W, W, and W, and this entire side is L. Now, there's probably something that's not being really said here. Even though they're adjacent rectangular pins, I'm not sure I say they have exactly the exact dimensions, right? So we're assuming that they both have the exact dimension, right? In other words, this distance is equal to this distance here. Okay, so we're just going to assume that. Alright, well, it's already set up, so you should know what to do from here. First thing we're going to do is, let's see, let's just solve for L in this problem. So we got 1144 divided by W, solved for L. Then we're going to take that, plug it in up here. So we got P being our perimeter, 3W plus 1144 times W, and if you don't mind, I'm going to go ahead and take that into the numerator, which is -1. I see something. There's a 2 right there. Man, we're about to do a take 5 on this problem. Okay, I'm trying to sneak a 2 in right there. Okay, let's go ahead and multiply that 2. So that's going to be 2288, right? We'll go ahead and do that. P is equal to 3W plus 2288, and then W to the -1. Now, of course, you know the drill. We're going to take the derivative of this thing. So P prime is equal to 3 minus 2288 W to the -2, right? Take the -1, bring it out front, subtract 1 from the exponent. Hopefully you know how to do all that by now. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and we'll just extend this problem right up here. We want to go ahead and solve now for W, but the first thing I'm going to do, we need to set it equal to 0, right? So 3 minus 2288, some funky 8s, and then W squared. We'll go ahead and take that down into the denominator. Alright, so after taking this over to this side, and can I skip a two or three steps? Nah, we better not. 2288 over W squared is equal to 3, so we'll switch places with both these guys. I am going to skip a step or two now. Now, because I'm writing plus or minus, because we're going to be taking the square root, but of course we can't have a negative width, right? At least not in real space. And so we have 2288. I'm not sure I want to live in a world that has negative space. Alright, and then just take the square root. But obviously we're using the positive. Okay. Um, is that it? Yeah. Um, oh my gosh. I think, I don't know. I think therefore I am. So we know what W is. I see an issue already. Not with this problem, but something I did earlier in the programming. Huh. Okay, I'm just kind of looking at some stuff here. No big deal. Okay, everything's correct here. Uh, okay, everything's correct. Settle down. So we know how to get our L now, right? L, is it going to be equal to, right, 1144 over the square root of 2288 over 3. See, I multiplied that by 2. No, actually, I think we're good. Okay, I was thinking of something in the program. So it said to, what did it say? It said round to 3 decimal places. Round to 3 decimal places. So we'll want to do that, right? Alright, so I'm just going to write it up here. 27.616 is what I'm getting. 616, right? That's approximately our W, and then our L, which is going to be this right here. So we're going to have 1144 divided by our W, and I'm getting 41.425. Okay, so that's what I got. Now, of course, how do we know this is a min and not a max or something? Remember, we do our number line, plug in this guy right here, check to see if it's increasing, decreasing. I'll let you do that, all right? You can do that. You should do that, right, to make sure. The teacher might be trying to trick you or something, so be careful. All right, let's remember these numbers. 27.616. Oh, I hope this is it. 27.616. And whoa, look at that magic. 41.25. What? 41.425. Yeah, that's right. Okay, feet. And hey, here's another thing. Don't leave off your units. If you started with units in the problem, you better not leave off your units, because I can guarantee you it will be counted wrong. That's a guaranteed item. Okay. Anyway, check out the chicken farmer there at gotomath.com, and I'll see you later.